welcome back to my channel. Nobody should come to me. Hi friends, you're welcome back to the Afrofood Diary. My name is Geraldine. If it's your first time seeing my face, you're welcome to my channel. Yeah, do relax and subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you do like it, and just stay on this channel and have fun with us. Okay, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. Okay, thank you for joining me in today's video. Today is going to be something different. You can see my background changed a little bit. Yeah, if you notice, my last two videos has been voiceless. Your girl has been up and about. Okay, yeah, so I'm out visiting some friends in Oslo, and yeah, so you'll be seeing something different, not necessarily out of our food and recipes, but just in a different way with tiny little bits of varieties. Okay, so in today I will show you a little bit of how we got all the way from the western part of Norway to the eastern part, which is Oslo. Yes, you will see glimpses of that as well as little bits of food vlogs here and there. Sit tight and let's go. So guys, as different parts of Norway are divided, kind of separated from one another by mostly mountains and water, yeah, traveling from the western part of Norway to the eastern part, as I'm doing right now, will require us going through mountains, through tunnels like this. Yeah, the longest we encountered on this way was about 9 minutes long. And on this, even though it's summer, this part of Norway, this part is called Roldal. This is where they go for skiing, like what you can see in the picture here. And for that reason, on top of the mountains, there are still ice and all those. You can see like the amount of snow on the way on this particular region. But as we're getting to the eastern part, as we're getting closer to the cities, away from these mountains, you begin to see that the greenery has changed a lot. So we made a total of 2 stops on our way on this road trip, which was a total of 7 to 8 hours, including the stops, the eating and changing of diaper and other stuffs that comes with traveling with a toddler. Yeah, it was just I, my husband and our son on this trip. And at this point we had gotten very close to Oslo. Notodden and Kongsberg Drammen are the closest to Oslo. So at this point we're very much close to the city. So our background and everything will be different for the next few days. Bear with me. I hope you can just sit back and enjoy the different views and a whole lot of other varieties that will be coming up on this channel. Stay tuned.
We are recording live. I'm here with Afrofood Diary herself, my personal chef for the next 1 week. All you can eat buffet from the catalog on YouTube.
Officially kidnapped. So as our first meal, my friend treated me to this yummy Chinese sauce with rice and there's some chicken wings. Don't worry, I'm going to be giving you my own version of this recipe if you demand it. Okay, so these are the chicken wings, yummy. And here is the final result of this dish. That I think it was our dinner on this particular day.
Here we have our zobo drink from hibiscus flower. And here we have the famous bread rolls in the mixture. Yum, yum, yum. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna have feelings of what is this thing called again? raisins and coconut.
As a surprise for other friends we were visiting the next day, we made egg rolls and ayamase. Yes. We also have this yummy stew, and a sweet friend sent me this watermelon juice that she made. Yummy.
Because my voice should not appeal. You show my voice.
Okay, my friends were shy, and then for that plantain, we boiled this rice. Just add turmeric, and you get that beautiful color. And then look at this lively salad, and it's just look at that color. Who doesn't like salad by just looking at this bowl? So it's served with the ayamase sauce we made earlier, and it was just everything. They loved it, even though they are shy to come up now to say it. Sorry, breakfast is scrambled eggs with some bread and green smoothie. So guys, this is the reason you should sieve your okpa when making it. Look at this. If this ends up in the okpa you're making, it's a disaster. So sieving it saves you getting these crumbs into your food. So for lunch we're making okpa. Yeah, this much. The okpa turned out really delicious with those yummy stuffs inside it. Just tell me you don't love the color. Yeah, and we paired it with a yummy fish sauce that I can share with us later on, and Ijebu gari. So guys, that is it for our today's video. I hope some of the recipes shared here will inspire you, and I hope you will be willing to try some of them out. Some of them are already on my channel, you know. Please hit the like button for me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Nobody should come to me. Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Nobody should come to me.